How's it going? My name is Tucker from Automotive. This right here is our 2017 Ram 1500 Tradesman. It is the newest truck to hit our lot. So I'm gonna do a quick video, go over all the features, and just do an overall walkthrough. Starting out front, this is going to have the bright white clear coat, halogen headlights, 5.7 liter Hemi under the hood, and this chrome bumper down here. Taking a walk along the side of the truck now, you're gonna have 17-inch wheels down there with some really well-equipped tires. Gonna be perfect for pretty much anything that you have to throw with it. Whether you're taking this, down a dirt road, the work lot, snowy road, anything like that, this is gonna be able to handle it just perfectly fine. Right down here, you're gonna have some running boards, help step up into the truck. Tow mirrors with blind spot mirror as well, kind of let you know if there's anything in your blind spot. Did I mention this is also gonna have 31,000 miles on it, so it's got a ton of life left in it, especially with that Hemi. It's gonna be going for a bunch more years. And it is going to be the single cab, but yeah, we'll take a look at the back now. Taking a walk along the side of the truck and to the bed of the truck. This is gonna be a 6'4" bed, tonneau cover up top, keep everything in the bed dry and good in there. It is going to have a spray-in bed liner and a rear view camera. Right on the rear view mirror, if you look up, you'll have a backup camera, which is really nice. Finishing off now in the front seat, this is a Tradesman, so it's going to come with these really nice cloth seats all the way around in this thing. You are going to get bench seating, as you can see, but if you don't want the third seat, you just fold this down. You get cup holders and the center console storage. So it's a really nice feature. You can kind of pick and choose what you want. You also get some storage behind these seats. Right now, you have probably a good few feet. So if you want to put, toolbox, anything like that behind there, you have access to do that. Steering wheel right here. You're gonna have some buttons to control the dashboard and just set the cruise control, but it's gonna have this infotainment system, Bluetooth and radio, has a few different features, go through, change the audio settings, everything like that. Below that, you're gonna get some of the climate control as per usual. And finally, below that, you have the gear limit. In case you are towing, you can kind of set the gear limit how you would like and how the trailer is set. And if you have any more questions that I have not already answered, or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come take it for a test drive, anything like that. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right off Route 11.